lovely kids. Hope all you are fine at your place. Welcome to Sonia Talks and Teaching STT. So, today topic is rhyme. Today we will do rhyme A to Z. Repeat after me. So kids, are you ready? Let's start. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't sing with me. Let's revise one more time, kids. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Hope you like this rhyme. Kids, revise this rhyme again and again and watch the video so you can learn this rhyme easily. Hope you like this rhyme. If you like the rhyme, please like, comment and share the video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, kids.